Today we will be creating a curly look using Rolda's Curl Cream. First things first, we want to damp all of the hair evenly, making sure that the hair is nice and wet. Next, we will scoop out a palm-sized portion of curl cream, making sure not to oversaturate the hair. Next, we will begin to apply the curl cream onto the hair, working it all the way in and evenly distributing the product all around the hair. Using my fingertips and my palms, I begin to rub in the curl cream within the hair. Next, I want to crimp the hair, making sure that all of the product is distributed evenly. We want to crimp the hair by grabbing it from the base towards the root, extending it out, and continue to crimp all around the head evenly. I will then take my claw comb or pick and start positioning the curls where I want them. I will now grab my diffuser on my blow dryer and begin to diffuse the hair to activate the curl more precise. And there you have it, a nice curly hair style utilizing Rolda's Curl Cream.